Hello there, my name is Nicholas Del Torres, and today we're going to be roasting Nature Cat. It's not like I really hated the show, but it was my childhood back then. But I hated it! So, without further ado, let's get into the roast.
That's me, Fred the House
That is you? You stupid cat!
Cat. When my family leaves for the day, I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. I become Nature Cat!
Oh my god, bro, I gotta roast ya, but what are those Yeezys? My guy got some dang boots.
Backyard Explorer Extraordinaire! Tally-ho!
No, tally-ho, why don't you tally-ho your back home?
Tally-ho! We're climbing out the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting muddy knees now. Nature Cat! Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat. So what are we waiting for?
Wait a minute. What is that bunny looking at? You know what to do? Roll the clip!
We're so excited to explore all that nature has in store. Tally-ho! Tally-ho! Outside!
What do you mean outside? It's like freaking 100 degrees out there. You'll get burned to death.
Through the trees now, we're jumping in the leaves now. We're getting muddy knees now.
Are you Tarzan or something stupid?
Tally-ho!